Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how to create smooth slow motion in the CapCut apps. So prepare your video and just select the the part that you want to make slow-mo. For example, just play the clip. So for this part I'm going to select speed and select normal or curve speed. So make it slower. Just swipe to the left and just click check mark, and you can see for the final result. Alright, that's it. So see, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.